Huawei's next flagship smartphone, the Huawei P20, is likely to launch on March 27 according to an invitation that TechRadar has received. Huawei's press invitation doesn't leave a hint that the P20 will be in attendance, but following a brief back and forth over what the Chinese company's upcoming device will be called, the details confirming such a device seem to be falling into place. While not the premier flagship in Huawei's arsenal of phones, the most recent entry, the Huawei P10, was a solid, cohesive effort that featured high-end specs, as well as the company's signature Leica-engineered optics, packed into a build that's smaller than what we've seen recently in the Huawei Mate 10 Pro. Could we see 3 P20 models? The latest rumors appear to confirm the Huawei P20, including 2 variations on the model, the Huawei P20 Plus and Huawei P20 Lite. Our invite makes a mention of newly launched devices, which could play into us seeing multiple models. This launch is oddly timed, slated a few weeks after MWC 2018 where the Samsung Galaxy S9 will debut. While likely a bid to have a bit of the spotlight to itself, we'll have to wait another 2 months to see what Huawei has up its sleeves.
We'll be right back.